Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am popping on today to do a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am going to start with the Aquamarine Autumn Days Page Kit by Meridy Twilling, as well as this really fab cardstock cut that's in the a la carte section at the store. So this kit has, and I believe, yes, I have the pattern paper add-on kit, so I have doubles on the papers. That's what I was saying. So right now I'm vibing on these two papers. Does not mean it's going to stay that way. I'm going to see what it looks like as I play with the cardstock cut. But I've got really great cardstock. It is gorgeous. I have got, oh my gosh, I just dropped my washi. A fab, super usable washi in black and white. These Cocoa Vanilla Daydream title pieces. I've got, and this amazing set of really cool pieces by 49 and Market. I think they're amazing. Like these cool little acetate pieces. So I definitely want to work them in to this idea I have. So let me show you my photo. This is a photo of my son and daughter, and they were getting some work pics done in their office courtyard. So I thought that would work perfectly with this kit. It vibes on it very, very nicely. She is dressed totally neutral. He is wearing a blue suit. Fab. So my idea is, and we also have, this is where the blue idea comes in. We have this really great embroidery floss that's variegated that came with our kit. So what I want to do is, sorry about the crinkle, is I want to take out this cardstock cut that I am loving right here. Next, I want to go ahead and cut it up. And I know people cringe about this kind of thing, but hey guys, however you're going to use your cardstock cut more, let me figure out where to cut it. However you're going to use it more, that's how you cut it. So I was going to cut it into 3 pieces. And I'll have to smooth out my little edges more as I cut them. So I like maybe this amount of leaves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and recreate a wreath after I cut them. So let's see. How about right here? Okay, so I'm going to recreate a wreath, right? And I'm not sure if this green gingham piece by Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Weathered Garden is going to be my background or not. I just kind of dig it. So let's say I have a wreath like this, right? Awesome. Here, let me get rid of some of the other distracting vibe. I'm going to do that. My thought is I've got all of these gorgeous acetate pieces, right? And they will help make up, these are the biggest ones I have. They will help make up some different parts of the wreath to fill it in. Oh, but wait, I also have these gorgeous pieces that were in the Limitless kit that I can sneak some of those goodies in wherever I want as well. They're on standby. Okay. So what I want to do with the embroidery floss is to do some stitching just on the leaves, I believe, to make them really stand out. And then the rest can be left white, which is always super interesting. So with that in mind, I need to poke little holes for sewing in all my little leafy bits, get this sewing done, and I will meet you right back here. Okay guys, I finished my stitching and I want to show you what I meant by it. I just went around the outside of the leaves with a really simple back stitch. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I am going to use this Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Weathered Garden, which is a mouthful, for my background. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do a nice little framing with this Hearth and Home Journal Elements piece. And I'm looking at these goodies. I think I will break it up with another mat, which is just using this really nice neutral cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and triple mat like so I can move these beautiful pieces out of my way for now. I think that will look gorgeous. We have some nice depth. I don't want, I was looking at the teal because I love this teal piece. It is, which color? Blue Calypso, but it's popping a little too much blue for what I'm looking for because my son's suit in this photo is a lighter blue, so I want to concentrate more on that kind of vibe. So I'm going to go ahead and mat them. I'm going to pop up my cut files that I've cut apart on a little dimensional adhesive, gut, mat, all that kind of stuff, these pieces, and I'll be back in a jiffy. The rest of this layout just flies together. I've got my acetate pieces on there. I've got my stitch pieces. My cut file is, oh, my computer just restarted. My cut file is popped up and I have matted up my photo a bunch of times. I decided on the word happy for my title. It is from this Cocoa Vanilla set of title die cut pieces and they are fabulous. Okay, now I went into these a la carte goodies that you see right here from the Hello Autumn line from Cartabella, and I pulled out some of the orangey pieces, and I also pulled out these great pumpkins that are exclusives for Not Just for Boys Kit Club. There are 3 colors, that deep orange, there is the deep green, and kind of a mid-tone green. So I really love the vibe. I have them stuck down. You see the punch that's up at the top. It's just holding down one of the acrylic pieces that has liquid adhesive. Now I decided I wanted to go into these puppies because they are puppies. These are also in the a la carte section, and I'm going into them just to add some more of the fall goodness and kind of sprinkle it around here and there. Now guys, I know that this video is super quick, but the product is so pretty. It came together just like that. Love this slightly pale aqua color, so I wanted to bring in a little bit more of that. I love that little floral base, and it works really well with the ticket that's to the left of the photos. So this is my tucking this here and there. They're on this little tag that you see on the kind of on the left. There was a couple little leafy bits on that were part of the printing, so I thought I would go ahead and just put puppies there. And now I'm using the sequins mix that was actually from the Limitless kit, and grabbing just a couple of the colors out of it, and I'm going to sprinkle them around. So you see I just grabbed the white, kind of the aqua color, and that nice deep green, just grabbed a few of the tones that I thought worked with this layout. So down below, I am going to have links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website. I'm going to have it for the Facebook group as well as the blog. Here are some still shots, and is there anything else to tell you? Here are some still shots, and that is going to be wrapping up this video for today. If you guys have questions, pop them on down below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And that is it. Have the best day, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video.